Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best budget DSLR camera in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a budget DSLR camera that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these budget DSLR cameras, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
If you've been thinking about stepping up to a great interchangeable lens camera, you'll want to watch this video. I'm here to introduce you to Canon's EOS Rebel SL2 camera. The EOS Rebel SL2 combines high performance and a compact size with an articulated, rotating LCD screen, making it a perfect camera for video as well as still images. And it's compatible with over 70 different Canon lenses, so it's ready to deliver high-quality imagery and grow with you as your needs grow. Maybe you're using a smartphone for your photos and video and simply want to step up to a camera with interchangeable lenses. Or you might already own an older and larger digital SLR and want to start fresh with a more advanced camera that is also smaller and lighter, but just as flexible. Either way, the EOS Rebel SL2 may be just what you've been hoping for. Let's take a quick glimpse into the camera's many appealing features. Image quality is a huge consideration whenever you're choosing a camera, and the EOS Rebel SL2 will not disappoint. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. That's larger than the sensors in virtually any smartphone. And those larger pixels mean better light sensitivity, especially in dim light. Speaking of dim light, it's possible to record still images and video at ISOs up to 25,600. Take a look at the large 3-inch LCD screen. It doesn't just tilt. It's Canon's vari-angle LCD screen, meaning you can move it in many ways, even face it forward to take selfies. This is a great tool for video recording and something you will love if you're a vlogger. The focusing system for video and live view shooting from the LCD screen is amazing. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus provides fast and accurate autofocus. It works beautifully with moving as well as still subjects. And with the convenient touchscreen LCD, you can just tap the screen to tell the camera where to focus. The EOS Rebel SL2 is a great choice for vlogging. Its compact size and built-in movie digital IS mean easy, steady one-handed operation for video shooters. It records full HD 1080p video at up to 60 frames per second for much sharper and smoother videos. And the MP4 video files are smaller in size, so they're easily shareable between compatible mobile devices. Speaking of sharing, built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth make it easy to connect the camera to a compatible smartphone or tablet. When combined with the free Canon Camera Connect app, you can quickly transfer your photos and videos to share in texts, emails, or on social media. If you primarily shoot photos, you'll love the optical viewfinder and its dedicated 9-point autofocus system. Optical viewfinders make it easy to compose the shot you want, keep the subject in focus, and capture it with minimal lag time between seeing it and pressing the shutter button. Knowledge is power, and the EOS Rebel SL2 has a feature assistant in its menus to provide just that. It doesn't just spell out what different settings will do. It shows you pictures on screen to illustrate what different shooting modes and other settings can do. And for experienced photographers who don't need the extra help, it's easy to turn off and return to traditional menu screens. Creativity isn't hard to come by, thanks to a number of creative filters for still shots, including fisheye, toy camera, and miniature, along with available effects for movies like Dream, Old Movie, and dramatic black and white. Impressive features and performance, easy to use, and a size that's convenient to carry. The EOS Rebel SL2 is hard to resist, putting the next level of photography and video literally within your reach. For more information, visit the Canon USA website. Thanks for
The D5600 is usually packaged with an 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 kit lens. For greater versatility, the 18-140mm f3.5 to 5.6 offers a wider zoom range. If you're just going to buy one additional lens for your D5600, we'd recommend the 35mm f1.8. It's small, sharp, and great for shooting in low light. To get started, we recommend a UHS 1 type Class 3 memory card, with at least 64GB of storage. We also recommend adding an extra battery to your kit. If you're a beginner, the green auto mode will take care of the shooting settings, letting you focus on composition. But to get the most out of the D5600's 24-megapixel sensor, we recommend shooting in RAW mode and adjusting the images using Nikon's bundled Capture NXD software. For more advanced photographers, the PASM exposure modes will let you take full control over the D5600, including its versatile 39-point autofocus system. Switch to autofocus C if you want to shoot moving subjects. If you'd rather position your focus point manually, you can do this by moving your finger around the touchscreen, either in live view or with your eye to the viewfinder. The effects mode allows you to apply 10 different filters to stills and video. The D5600 shoots HD video at up to 60p. Use the flip-out screen to compose video footage and set the focus. Use SnapBridge to wirelessly connect the camera to your mobile device for photo sharing.
Canon EOS Rebel T7i sits at the top end of the company's entry-level DSLR lineup. The T7i is targeted toward users who want an easy-to-use camera that offers advanced features that they can grow into. It features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and, for the first time on a Rebel, dual-pixel autofocus. Dual-pixel AF allows for quick focusing and reliable subject tracking in live view and movie mode, and the camera's fully articulating touchscreen lets you tap to focus. On the video side, the T7i can capture full HD video at 60p, and it has a jack for adding an external microphone. The Rebel T7i comes with Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth. NFC allows for quick pairing with Android devices, while Bluetooth can send images to your smartphone as they're taken. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i offers a proven sensor and autofocus system and a broad feature set, making it a compelling choice for photographers seeking a compact yet Canon Rebel T6 is a well-specified camera for beginners moving up from a compact camera or smartphone who are looking for better image quality and the ability to change lenses. The T6 has an 18-megapixel APS-C format sensor, which provides respectable image quality in this entry-level camera. The optical viewfinder gives an uninterrupted, natural view on the world in front of the lens. The built-in Wi-Fi is reliable and straightforward for quick and easy photo sharing to your smartphone. The Canon T6 produces very nice JPEG images right out of the camera. It's a great value for the price, and a good option for someone looking to upgrade to a more capable camera without a big investment. On the negative side, the T6 lacks features like panorama and time-lapse shooting that smartphone users might be used to. In addition, the pixel-level detail lags behind its competitors. All in all, the Canon Rebel T6 is a no-frills, entry-level DSLR at a very reasonable price that will please JPEG shooters looking to stick to auto modes and share images